Basta masarap. Kasi hindi ako masyado mahilig sa gulay ko, kaya siguro hindi ako mataba. Tapos, pero paborito mo pagkain kapag may pera, alam mo lasagna? Lasagna na parang pasta siya na ano siya ba? Oo, parang, sige, parang sa, ano ba, sa, oo, basta lasagna. Mga pasta.
Yun lang. Follow-up question. Ang fans naman ni Edward, asan yung kwan dito yung magtanong kay Edward, nasa labas ba? Oo. Nasa labas ba yung tanong kay Edward?
Papasan.
Come on.
Papasan.
Hindi, yung kausap ko kanina, yung kwan, nasa ba? Siko na lang. Yes. Okay. Ikaw na lang. Si Ate Chloe na lang tatanong.
Hi, Edward. DJ Chloe here. Tanong ko lang, kasi of all the contingents, the contestants, how do you feel na you're the only guy?
Siyempre, it's a little weird sometimes because Kisses in my mind are really close. They're the best of friends. And then sometimes I'm just left there alone, so like I know if Marco was in the big three, it would be different. You know, I would always be with Marco. But I'm proud as well. You know, I'm the only guy out of the five that made it to the big three. So yeah, of course I'm proud and I'm happy to be with these two girls. So regardless of what happens, I really want. So
One question.
Okay.
Which girl or who's the one who you really like?
Yeah.
Of all the contingents. I mean, Kisses and My Mind.
Kisses.
if you, I mean.
I'm sorry, what's that? I have to. No, that's
Don't be shy, come on.
That question it's hard to answer. It's actually to me impossible to answer because both of them know them since the day I came in. Both of them I've gone through all the challenges with. They were both there for me when my grandmother passed away and didn't have language. So everything they both helped me with. So both of them have been like the closest of friends to me. So I can't choose between them because if I do, as soon as I get out of here, they're gonna kill me.
Alright. Another question. Yes. May magtatanong pa sa inyo. May kasama yung dito ka. Yeah.
What is your secret? Joke lang. What is your
That's for Kesses or Edward or Maymay? Edward. Yes, Edward. Question. Come on. Lapit ka sa mic.
What is your secret? Why you're so handsome?
What is your secret?
Wala. Eat healthy, stay in school, and don't do alcohol. Don't drink alcohol. Just love yourself. Yeah, don't do anything to harm yourself.
Parang Justin Bieber.
Love yourself.
Alright. Si Kuya KJ.
Behind the camera.
Behind the camera.
I have
What is your question?
After PBB, what else would you like to be aside from show business?
Ayan.
Let me finish your
Okay po. Aside sa show business po, syempre gusto ko pong makapagtapos ng pag-aaral. Gusto ko tapusin yung pag-aaral ko dahil yun yung ang edukasyon mo talaga yung napaka-importante mo kasi dahil kahit saan ka mapunta kung may edukada ka punta o may natapos ka po ay may babahagi at may papasa mo to sa mga tao, sa mga kabataan din napaka-importante mo ng edukasyon mo talaga.
Anong year mo na ba, Maymay?
Third year college po.
Malapit na rin. 1 year na lang, no?
Opo, 1 year.
How about you, Edward?
I have 2 more years of high school left, and then college.
And follow-up question kay Kesses, ang Miracle Daughter of Masbate. Saan ka na nag-school? Dito college ka?
Nag-school lang ba ako ngayon ng college sa DLSU, sa De La Salle University sa Manila.
Anong year mo na?
First year college,
First year
and then incoming na po, second year.
Okay. And after nyo dito sa Masbate, no, I know 3 days kayo dito mag-stay, right?
Opo.
After nyo dito sa Masbate, saan kayo pupunta?
Saya na po.
sinabi nila swim.
Opo.
Saan?
Swimming.
Hindi. After dito naman, after sa Masbate. Sa province pa nila Maymay or Edward?
Babalik po kami sa Manila.
Manila. Hindi kayo pupunta yun.
Tapos pupunta sa laon nila Edward. At saka sa akin.
Cagayan. Tapos pagkatapos doon, babalik kayo sa PBB. Ano mangyayari?
Sa tatlong panahon. Kuya lang yung
Kayo sa tagtang panahon.
Kailangan natin yun.
Kasi kuya.
Sige, i-ikuhan nyo naman yung mga show nyo. At yung mga dapat subaybayan ng mga tagapakinig natin, mga viewers natin. Naka-live tayo, Facebook Live. Of course, Channel 5 MCI Cable. Ano na yun? Sige, kuhan nyo. I-plug nyo yung mga... ano yung mga show nyo? Ano ang dapat abangan ng Masbate nyo?
Ina-invite po naman kamo na magkita sa Follow the Lucky 3 Teens
Monday to Friday, 8 p.m. on I1 TV.
Salamat po.
To watch, subscribe using your ABS-CBN mobile with keyword PBB Day or PBB Week and send to 2131.
Yeah. Another show? Wala na?
Ama lang po, saya na.
Saan nyo na? Okay, another question from BJ TJ.
Your visit here coincides with the opening of the Masbate Provincial Meet. Are you going there
Are
today?
you going there? Yeah.
No, because
Opening ngayon ng provincial meet.
asked me
Tumaan.
if you would be there, and I said I don't know. Kasi I just asked them.
Marami kasing tao doon eh.
And for Edward, there is one avid fan, which is who is my co-employee sa the legislative